What is the y-intercept of this table? Remember, my y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. So different ways that you can do this. You can either graph this, or if you know your points well enough, you can just look at your points. Like I know this is 8, -3. I know this is 6, 0. So automatically anything with a 0 is what I'm really focused on, and I would actually go ahead and graph that. 2, 3, and then 0, 5. Because it's going to be one of these two choices. I just need to see which one. So this is 6, 0. So 6, 0 goes through my x. 5, 0, 5 goes through my y. So this would be my answer. Next. Okay, same table, and we did already list out those points, and we saw, I'm just gonna bring that table back. So we saw that 6, 0 was actually our x-intercept. So we would put 6, 0. And that would be it for that one. Next one, we have, what is the 0 of this graph? So remember, 0 is just another word for x-intercept. I highly recommend that you memorize that because that's how we'll say x-intercept from now on. So I'm looking for where it crosses the x. So this would be 4, 0. However, when I'm asking for 0, it says just x value. So this would just be 4. In a griddable, so I'm gonna, remember, in algebra we have floating griddables, so plus minus, you have your decimal points first, and then you have 0, 1, so on and so forth. So this 4, I would put it right here at the end, and I would bubble in 4, okay? If for whatever reason you wanna, I would also bubble in positive, because that's a positive 4. If for whatever reason you wanna put it all the way over here, that's great. You can do that. However, if you put it right here, you have to put a decimal right there, or else that's 40,000 instead of 4. That is a huge difference. And then you would bubble in a 4, and you'd bubble in this decimal, and that would be your answer. Next, another one. Okay, so this is also similar to your griddable. It is our last question. So again, evaluate the function. We're just gonna go in, put this -5 for each of our x's. So -5 squared plus 3, -5 minus 5. Okay, so -5 squared would be positive 25. 3 times -5 would be minus 15, and then minus 5. Remember, we go left to right. So 25 minus 15 would be 10, minus 5 would be 5, and this would be 5. On our griddable, again, quick griddable, I would put this 5 all the way on the end and bubble in 5. I would also bubble in the positive because I want it to be positive 5. If you put it over here, remember, just make sure it's got a decimal, and then that's honestly pretty much it. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. I will be available. Bye, guys.